Here's a sobering reality check that might shock you. If you retire with just $100,000 in your savings account, you're essentially setting yourself up for financial disaster. Think about it for a moment. If you're spending just $2,000 every month during retirement, your entire nest egg vanishes in less than 4.5 years. And then what happens? You're forced back into the workforce at 70 years old, relying entirely on Social Security payments that barely cover basic expenses, or worse yet, facing complete financial ruin. But what if I told you there's a completely different path? What if that same $100,000 could transform into nearly $4 million without you having to become a stock picker, day trader, or financial genius? What if you could invest it once and watch it grow steadily while you sleep, work, or enjoy your retirement? Greetings, I am the Wealth Wizard, and today I'm going to reveal the 3 most powerful index funds that can make this transformation possible. We'll examine exactly how much each fund can potentially return over time, and by the end of this video, you'll discover which index fund has the remarkable potential to turn your single investment into a portfolio worth almost $4 million while generating over $9,000 in monthly dividend income. The secret lies in understanding what index funds actually are and why they're such game changers for ordinary investors. Imagine a massive basket containing stocks from hundreds of different companies across various industries. Instead of gambling everything on one company that could succeed spectacularly or fail miserably, you're distributing your investment across this diversified collection. When some companies struggle, others typically perform well, creating a natural balance that protects your wealth. Investors gravitate toward index funds because they eliminate complexity while delivering consistent results over decades. Unlike expensive, actively managed funds where highly paid professionals attempt to outsmart the market and charge enormous fees for questionable results, index funds simply mirror market performance. This approach means dramatically lower costs, allowing more of your money to remain invested and compound over time. The beauty of index fund investing isn't about chasing hot stock tips or gambling on the next big technology breakthrough. Instead, you're betting on something much more reliable: the long-term economic growth of established markets. While this strategy won't make you wealthy overnight, patience combined with consistency can produce absolutely incredible results. Now let's examine the 3 index funds that could potentially transform your financial future, starting with our 3rd place contender. The Vanguard Small Cap 600 Index Fund focuses on smaller companies that most investors overlook, while everyone else obsesses over giants like Apple and Microsoft. These smaller enterprises often possess tremendous growth potential because they're still expanding rapidly and have significantly more room to scale their operations. Small cap companies might not be household names, but they frequently outpace larger corporations because they're more nimble and can adapt quickly to changing market conditions. This fund provides exposure to 600 small-cap companies spanning multiple industries, which helps minimize risk through diversification. Even if several companies underperform, others can offset those losses effectively. The fund benefits from Vanguard's renowned low-cost structure, charging only 0.07% in annual fees. Lower expenses mean more of your investment stays working for you rather than disappearing into management costs. Here's what happens when you invest $100,000 in this fund. With a dividend yield of 1.47%, dividend growth rate of 11.18%, and share price appreciation averaging 7.09% annually, your investment begins growing immediately. After 1 year, your portfolio value reaches approximately $108,560. By the 10-year mark, your investment doubles to roughly $233,758. After 20 years, you're looking at $591,910. The real magic happens at the 30-year milestone. Your original $100,000 investment grows to over $1.6 million. Annual dividend income reaches approximately $70,929, providing nearly $6,000 monthly in passive income. The total value added to your portfolio exceeds $1.5 million. However, we're just getting started. Our second place fund offers even more impressive potential. The Wisdom Tree Value Fund takes a completely different approach by focusing on established companies that appear undervalued relative to their fundamental worth. This strategy resembles bargain hunting at your favorite store, except you're searching for quality companies whose stock prices temporarily trade below their intrinsic value. Sometimes these companies face short-term challenges or market neglect, despite maintaining strong financial foundations. The fund capitalizes on these opportunities by investing in larger, more stable businesses that offer consistency rather than explosive growth. During market turbulence, value stocks typically demonstrate greater resilience because they're backed by companies with solid earnings, strong balance sheets, and reliable customer bases. This stability means less dramatic portfolio swings, which many investors find reassuring. The fund's methodology involves selecting companies based on fundamental factors like earnings and dividend payments, rather than just market capitalization. This approach helps identify genuinely undervalued opportunities that could deliver both rising stock prices and growing dividends as markets eventually recognize their true worth. With competitive fees of just 0.0012% and strong fundamentals including a dividend yield of 1.49%, dividend growth rate of 12.69%, and average share price appreciation of 9.77%, this fund delivers compelling results. Investing $100,000 in this fund produces remarkable outcomes. After 1 year, your investment grows to $111,260. At the 10-year mark, your portfolio nearly triples to $296,243. After 20 years, your investment reaches $923,317, but the 30-year results are truly spectacular. Your original investment grows to nearly $3.8 million, while generating over $93,000 in annual dividend income, equivalent to approximately $7,779 monthly. The total portfolio addition exceeds $2.9 million, with roughly $2.3 million coming from stock price appreciation and $670,000 from reinvested dividends. Impressive results, but our top-ranked fund delivers even more extraordinary potential. The Fidelity Total Market Index Fund represents the ultimate diversification strategy by covering the entire stock market spectrum. This includes large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap companies, providing comprehensive exposure to every market segment simultaneously. Rather than choosing between growth and value strategies, this fund delivers both approaches within a single investment. With thousands of companies in its portfolio, the fund minimizes individual stock risk while capturing broad market growth over extended periods. The fund's expense ratio stands at an incredibly low 0.02%, among the lowest available anywhere. Combined with strong historical performance including average annual share price appreciation of 10.53%, dividend yield of 1.97%, and dividend growth rate of 12.13%, this fund provides both capital appreciation and growing income streams. Here's where the magic really happens with $100,000 invested. After the first year, your investment grows to $112,500. By year 10, it triples to $329,300. At the 20-year milestone, your portfolio reaches over $1.1 million. But the 30-year results are absolutely staggering. Your original $100,000 investment transforms into nearly $4 million, specifically $3,945,1,793. Annual dividend income reaches approximately $118,378, providing over $9,300 monthly in passive income. This amount could comfortably cover most people's living expenses without touching the principal. The total value added exceeds $3.8 million, with over $3.3 million coming from stock price appreciation and additional hundreds of thousands from reinvested dividends. What makes these results possible is the power of compound growth over extended time periods. Each fund reinvests dividends automatically, purchasing additional shares that generate more dividends, creating an accelerating wealth-building cycle. The key to achieving these remarkable outcomes is starting early, staying consistent, and maintaining patience through inevitable market fluctuations. While short-term volatility can feel uncomfortable, history demonstrates that diversified index fund investing rewards those who stay the course. Remember, these projections assume reinvesting all dividends and making no additional contributions beyond the initial $100,000. Imagine the results if you added even modest monthly contributions over time. If you found this analysis helpful and want to explore additional wealth-building strategies, especially if you don't currently have $100,000 to invest, no worries. I've created another video showing how you can get started right now. Check it out on screen right now so you don't waste another day on wasting the potential with your index funds.